or Brad, you score the winning two-point conversion to win this game in overtime. So tell us about the play call.
I had a feeling he was going to call it because he's been calling it. He called it the whole game and it was working the whole game. He came over to me before we called a timeout. He came over to me and he just told me, "Get in the end zone, whatever you can do." It was amazing.
Well, you had the wide open part of the field going to the right side and just slicing it in right at the piling there. You just made it in, but you made it in, and there was no doubt that you had just made it in.
Yeah,
right?
It was very close.
Well, tell us about the game itself. As it played out. What things were you guys struggling with, and what things were going well for the team?
Well, at first I think we were struggling up front. I feel like they came out and played a little bit harder than we did at first. But then the momentum switched and we turned it all around. And I feel like we started to care about the game more, put more heart into it, played with all desire, and just did all we could.
Well, this would be the first time you've been in an overtime game. Does that sound right?
Yeah.
So what are you thinking of when you're on the sidelines before it starts? What's going through you? How are you feeling?
It was indescribable. I didn't know what to think. It was just, I had so many thoughts going through my mind, like who was going to get the ball first, how we were going to do it. I didn't even know that we were doing the 4 plays for 10 yards.
Yeah.
Everything was just going through my mind, and I just knew I did everything I could, and the team had did everything that we could to win.
I can tell you're pumped because here it is, like 10 minutes or well after 10 minutes after the game, and you're still sucking air here a little bit, huh?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah, and then when you guys get the ball, they get the 6 points, but they don't get the 2-point conversion.
Yeah,
so now you have the
big.
real opportunity. So that's huge.
And then the first play we got 7 yards on it, and everything was for us from there. I knew it.
Yeah, that first play was a big one. There's no question.
And Justin just ran hard, all he could, and got all 10 yards, both plays, and he's a great player. I can't even talk about him, anything else.
One last question, Brad. Let's back it up to the end of regulation. They're attempting a field goal down at the other end of the field. Tell us about that.
Honestly, I couldn't even watch. I was so nervous. It happened a few games ago against North Andover. They were kicking. There was, I think, a minute left.
That's right.
They kicked. It hit way up in the rain. It hit the goal, hit the post, and popped out. I was having flashbacks from that game. I was really nervous.
All right. Can you single any other teammate or two out? I know it's hard to do that you thought really had a nice game today.
Jaylen Brown played fantastic. Jordan also played fantastic. Devin did great. Justin did great. The whole line. I mean, I can't really single anyone out. It's a team effort. I feel like we all played great today.